Hey traders, let's talk about Bittensor. It's down nearly 29% this week, now sitting around $243. But here's the twist. Trading volume in the last 24 hours is picking up strong. So what's going on? Is this the start of a bullish comeback, or just a classic trap? Big drops followed by high volume can mean smart money is stepping in. But it can also signal a temporary bounce before another leg down. Key levels to watch: if buyers hold momentum, we could see a reversal. But if selling pressure returns, caution is the name of the game. Bottom line, stay sharp, don't chase hype, and always manage your risk. What do you think? Breakout or fake out? Also, quick update. We've just released our latest Bittensor price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Bittensor. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime, happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.